How to add custom fonts to your CapCut video editor. So you input your text, so I'll be inputting camera DSLR. And click on style. You press the plus button. You import the font that you already downloaded. Then you choose the font. So I will put the color to make it show. So how to download the custom fonts? Just put your Google Chrome, type top 500 fonts 2021. It will bring out some options for you. You can click it 500 fonts or 1000 fonts. Click whichever one you like. Then you scroll down. You will see a download button. Click on download. It will request for your Gmail. Input your Gmail. Press add on one and select all. And press on select all at the right top angle. Press on select all. It will request for download. Click on download. And also another way you can use to download this is to go to font space. They have a bunch of fonts over there and interesting style, amazing fonts in there. So you play around with the site, look for the one that you like, the interesting one that you like. So I'll be downloading some fonts right now. Now let's look for another fonts to download. Like this watched, let me download it. And also download that page too. So when you download it, will be in zip format, so you extract it out before you import it into your whichever video editor you are using. So we import it again. So you import it, press on upload file, then you click on the fonts you downloaded from the fontspace.com. Voila, and you click on the fonts. That's it. That's how to download fonts. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Bye bye.